Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Another way to create, establish, and maintain presence in your Canvas course is to create video recordings. This will allow your students to have a variety of delivery formats from the teacher, such as text announcements or video announcements. Now that you have finished recording the video and you have shared the video, you will find it in your Screencastify videos within Google Drive. You're going to open the video. Once you open the video, you will see the three little dots, the ellipses. Select them, open on a new window, select the ellipses one more time, and select Embed Item. For the Embed Item, you're going to get an HTML code. Copy that code and return to the Canvas course in the Announcements tab. Now that you have the text announcement, you want to paste the HTML code. Select HTML Editor and simply paste, Ctrl-V, or right-click and paste the code. Go back to the Rich Content Editor, and now you can see the video announcement will play within the Canvas editor. You can choose to delay the posting, allow users to comment, enable podcast feed, or allow liking. This is up to you, up to the teacher to decide how they want to select or deselect these options. Once you're ready, you can send the announcement. I'm going to delay my announcement for now and post it until tomorrow. And I'm going to save it. Now, you have a text announcement along with a video announcement for students to access.